Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to boot into the safe mode on the Windows 11. So the first thing that you would like to do is just go and open your PC. This contains of course the Windows 11. If you are a Windows 10 user, if you would like then to go into Windows 11, you can just go into your settings and upgrade into Windows 11 right now and for free. Of course you can do that on the background of your PC. You can let it download the background of your PC. Of course, that might let your PC be slower a bit, but it's not going to be a big problem. Especially if you have a good PC, you will not notice the difference. And of course, once the download or installation is done, you'll be notified to restart or to reboot your PC. When you do that, you'll find yourself with a Windows 11 ready to use. Of course, the upgrade from Windows 10 into 11 will not delete any files or any personal files for you, so don't worry about that. And of course, you'll even have a recovery point if you want to go back into your Windows 11 or 10, sorry, whenever you want. Maybe if you're facing some issues, this is not most likely to happen, or if you just like the Windows 10 more. But I bet when you get used to Windows 11, you will like it as much or even more. So as we said in the beginning of the video, is we would like to boot into the safe mode. So of course, if you want to do that, you will have to just to go and restart your PC. And then after your PC restarts, you will see like a list of options, and just make sure to select 4 on your keyboard or F4. Of course, if you don't know which one working on your PC, make sure to spam them both to start your PC in safe mode. Or if you need to use the internet while in safe mode, you'll have to click on 5 or F5 to start the safe mode when it's working. And of course, if you would like to quit this safe mode whenever you want, you can simply just go and restart your PC like normally. Of course, you will if you want to enter the safe mode, you will not have to enter it like in the normal way. You'll have to go into your settings and type here recovery and go to into this recovery option, then go into this advanced startup and restart. Now with the advanced startup, then once you restarted, make sure to click at F4 or F5, F5 with network or F4 without network. So this is actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.